Welcome to Longevity Insights, where we explore cutting-edge research to help you live a longer, healthier life. Today we're diving into a controversial topic. Could statins, the cholesterol-lowering drugs prescribed to millions, be harming your brain? We'll explore whether reducing cholesterol might increase the risk of dementia, memory loss, and cognitive decline, and what that means for your longevity. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Now, let's go to Christian for all the details.
Thanks, Adam. Let's get into it. Statins are among the most prescribed drugs in the world, designed to lower LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, to reduce the risk of heart disease. But here's the problem. Your brain depends on cholesterol, and reducing it too much might have unintended consequences. To understand why, let's break it down into 4 key points. 1. Good cholesterol versus bad cholesterol. What's the difference? Before we dive deeper, let's clarify the difference between LDL, bad, cholesterol, and HDL, good, cholesterol. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, is often labeled bad because high levels are associated with plaque buildup in arteries, increasing heart disease risk. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, is known as good cholesterol because it helps remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream and supports overall cardiovascular health. However, calling LDL bad oversimplifies things. Your body needs both types of cholesterol, especially your brain. 2. Cholesterol, the brain's unsung hero. Now let's talk about why cholesterol is essential for brain health. The brain contains about 25% of the body's total cholesterol, even though it makes up only 2% of total body weight. Neurons rely on cholesterol for synapse formation, neurotransmitter function, and cell membrane integrity, all critical for memory and cognition. Cholesterol is also necessary for producing myelin, the protective coating around nerves that allows signals to travel efficiently. So if cholesterol is this important, what happens when statins lower it too much? 3. Statins and the controversy. Now let's explore the potential risks of lowering cholesterol with statins. Some research suggests that statins might increase the risk of dementia and cognitive impairment. A 2005 study in Archives of Neurology found that low cholesterol levels were linked to a higher risk of cognitive decline. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience suggested that statins could interfere with cholesterol metabolism in the brain, potentially affecting memory and cognitive function. Many patients report brain fog, confusion, or memory loss after starting statins, symptoms that sometimes improve when they stop taking the drug. However, not all studies agree. Some research suggests that statins might reduce inflammation, benefiting brain health. So, how do we find the right balance? 4. Balancing heart health and brain health. Finally, let's talk about how to make the best decision for your heart and brain. If you're on statins, talk to your doctor about monitoring your cognitive function and whether aggressive LDL reduction is necessary. Instead of relying solely on medication, focus on lifestyle-based cholesterol control. A Mediterranean diet, regular exercise, and quality sleep can protect both your heart and brain. Consider whether higher LDL cholesterol might be protective. Some studies suggest that higher LDL is linked to better brain function and longer lifespan in older adults.
So, could statins increase the risk of dementia? The science isn't settled, but one thing is clear: cholesterol plays a critical role in brain health. If you or a loved one is on statins, it's worth discussing the risks and benefits by consulting with your doctor. What are your thoughts? Are you taking statins? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and please feel free to comment on topics you want to see me cover. The information provided in this video is a compilation of various sources and has been condensed for ease of understanding. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.